In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language on Taobao. This is important for non-Chinese speakers as it significantly improves the shopping experience by making navigation easier, helping users understand product descriptions, prices, and specifications more clearly. To do this, simply head to Taobao. Now, as you can see, the app is in Chinese language. You want to tap right here. On this page, tap onto the settings icon at your upper right. Now here, select the fifth option. On this page, head to the very first option. Now these are all countries or region, so choose any that's English speaking to get the English language option. To make it simple for you, choose on the eighth option. Now once everything is set, head to the second option and select English. If you don't choose an English-speaking country in the first place, you won't see the English option. Tap on Confirm to save changes. Your Taobao language will change to English. Well, that's how easy it is to change Taobao language to English. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.